What is up, guys? It is Meme Coin Daily back with another video, guys. We're covering Turbo again yet today. We are on Coin Market Cap. We got a lot of stuff to cover today. This will probably be one of my longer videos, maybe around 10 minutes or so. But let's get right into it. So as we can see, the coin has been actually fluctuating a lot today. I've been keeping an eye on it a lot throughout the day, and it's been fluctuating quite a bit, honestly. We're sitting at 0.00931, and we've been up, all the way as up to 5%. We're up maybe a 0.5% right now, but we've been all the way up to 5-6% today, and then it came right back down. But I'm going to get into the reason that's happening and all that. The market cap is at 0.58%, and the volume is still going up. Like I said, people are still hopping on the Turbo chain as they should. All right. This Turbo's okay. All right, let's get to the charts. Here we go. Okay, let's find out why we went from, all the way up to almost, 5 to 10% gain just today, and now we're basically not even 1% up. If you look over, you'll see a lot of the meme coins are up today. But even though this is a Turbo video, we're going to start out with Bitcoin. We always start out with Bitcoin. It tells the story of why, Turbo is going to move like it is. In my opinion, that's how I feel like it's moved the whole time it's actually been released. So as you can see, like I was telling you guys, once we break above this key area, I can expect a big push. That's what I've been saying in the past few videos from Bitcoin. It's exactly what happened. We literally came and touched the high Bitcoin has ever been, which is around 74,000. We got up to 73,800 today. That's how close we got to that. So we are getting close to breaking out of this small little zone that Bitcoin has had us trapped in for a few weeks now. I can see us breaking through and creating the highest Bitcoin's ever seen. In the next couple of days, we're going to break the high, and I know that. Probably by tomorrow, we will see Bitcoin as high as it's ever been before. We broke above this, and we held, causing us to come and test this level. We broke right through that. We close above this level. We are going to most likely see this level. And then when we close above this, at that point, I can't really say what's going to happen because we've never seen Bitcoin reach this high. We have to wait for it to go up and then come down to give us a little bit of data on what's going to be next going forward for Bitcoin so that we can analyze Turbo Coin along with it. Let me compare a few things. I'm going to hop over because you can see we kind of rejected this area. And it's looking like this daily candle is going to close on a rejection. If I hop down to a 4-hour time frame. So see, we have a very, very bearish candle that formed right there. This was kind of an indecisive candle when you have a wick up and a wick down. So let's hop over to Turbo quick. So we're gonna go back to the daily time frame first. So we do have a bullish candle, but golly, look at the wick that we were left with. We came all the way up to this area that I marked out for us a couple days ago, and we just touched it. We just boop, and then we came right back down. So we know that this area, this is, validated the area that I marked up for us. This is validation that this is a strong area, and price loves to reject off this area. As we can see, we grab some arrows. We rejected, right there. We rejected right there. We rejected right there. That's 4. Coming up on 4. 5 times we've rejected off this area. 5 times now. So we know that there are sellers at this area, big whales ready to push the price down when it gets anywhere close to the area. So for us to break up and get on the buyer side, essentially, to ride this wave up and come up and touch these, these all-time highs that we have seen, we have to close above this. And what's it gonna take for that to happen? Simple. We're gonna have to see Bitcoin continue to do what it's doing. When Bitcoin made that big pump today, you see we made a big pump to the upside. As big as this rejection looks right here, that's about equal to the rejection that we're seeing what Bitcoin's giving us right here, because this is a bigger coin. So these candles obviously are not going to move the same because the coin is worth more. It's just a bigger coin in general, the biggest coin. Right now, we haven't even held above this level yet, so we can't even target this level. We need a strong candle to close above 0.0093, which would give us, really good confluence that we're going to come up here and at least, tap into this area again, like these candles. Let me go back to Bitcoin so we can cover some more stuff on that. All right. So as you can see, we are coming up on this all-time high right here. Whenever we break above this, whenever we push through, I'm going to expect a big move up before coming down, probably touching this area again. All right. And then with Turbo Coin, when we break above this, we're going to come up to here. We might ping pong for a second, but then eventually it's going to hold above this area, the 0.010 area. We're going to hold above this, and then we're going to have to target this. It's going to come back into the area. I'm hoping that we're going to close above because that's setting our all-time high, continuing this huge bull run that we've seen. Although, if Bitcoin decides it does not want to continue to push high, it decides it wants to get stuck in that area around 74,000, we could see this coin continue to just fall into these levels that are mapped out already. We could see this coin continue to just fall and trickle into them areas, continuing this little down spiral that we're having going. And like I said, don't panic sell this coin yet. It's literally just getting started. Here's an example. When we pumped right here, remember guys, we came down. I don't know, if you guys were scared in this moment. Were you guys kind of panicking when this happened as well? Comment down below whenever this happened. Were you panicking? Because that's probably a lot of the internet was telling Bitcoin, Turbo Coin has crashed. It's not gonna do it anymore. If you look over here, this is literally what happened right here. You see, we had this big fall too. So Turbo Coin literally just matched it, step for step in that area. And then that's when we had that really big push off one of these key areas, like a 40% gain in like a week. All right, so that's what we're kind of doing right now. We're just coming down and tapping into one of these key areas before we take off like a rocket yet again and create these new highs. Because I can only see this coin getting bigger from here. Excuse me, guys. The fact that some of these guys, these big gurus, think that this coin is about to crash it's beyond me. There's so much support. I mean, this is literally the first AI generated, crypto coin ever. It's a meme coin, but still, there's so much people and whales backing this coin. I don't see how anybody could think that this coin was ever going to be bearish. I mean, it would be bearish for a short period of time when it's on the when it's on the decline to retrace into a small area. But that's not gonna, it's not pulling us out of the game. Let's get on their Twitter real quick. We always gonna check and see if they have any new updates. That's how we find out when they reach new tiers, when they get listed on exchanges and stuff like that. All right. They always post daily. This is a good place to follow as well if you want to keep up with the actual creators of Turbo Coin. Chainlink. They're even selling shirts too. I mean, heck. Anyways, guys. All right. So look, Turbo is listed on LCX. That was actually yesterday. I should have covered that. So that is another exchange that this coin has been listed on. I mean, come on, guys. It's literally continuing to grow. All right. Let's see. All right, guys. So we're going to run through this one more time. Remember, we're waiting on it to close above here, and we are waiting to see Bitcoin close above this key area. Sorry if I sound redundant. I just want to, closing statement so that we know when to add on to Turbo Coin. I'm going to be posting another video tomorrow. Hopefully, we're going to be closed above this key area to continue this push up that we think is about to happen. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video.